Okay, well, it's supposed to be live, but apparently there's a problem. Run under test cut. On the new spindle, I am amazed at how quiet this is. The old one made a hell of a racket, as I'm sure you already know. But I wanted to do a test cut on this before I got into the board. We're making a Christmas present. Here's the real one. The boy's making a Christmas present. So I didn't want to ruin the board after you already stained it and painted it. So we're doing a test cut. This is the roughing pass. This is the noisiest pass. And it's just humming along. It's real. The new spindle is real quiet. So if you want to see how this comes out, if you want to see what the picture is, subscribe, and you're going to notice right after Christmas, as it's a gift. I don't want to give it away in case the recipient of the present is subscribed to the channel. But yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit a like button, give me some comments, do something for Christ's sake. This cuts so nice. That's just a regular end mill. It is cutting very nice, perfectly smooth. Yeah, if you want to see what the picture is, hit that subscribe button.